Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Aiwa Arc-1 Bluetooth headphones. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $200. Alright, so let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Aiwa Arc-1 Bluetooth headphones, $200. Let's go through the features. Biocellulose composite driver with flexible surround for ultra-low distortion and clear sound. Protein leather ear cups and headband for luxurious comfort. Aluminum construction for durability and great looks. 20-hour battery life for non-stop music. Integrated microphone for calls and voice control. High-performance Qualcomm CSR 8670 chipset with aptX low latency and high-resolution 24-bit DSP. Now you got a visible battery level indicator, Bluetooth 4.0 for app control, replaceable earpads. Now this also features Q-Connect. I'll explain that in a minute. Here's all of your specifications. Pause that and read it for yourself. Now if you're wondering about the box, looks kind of cheap, check this out. Why the plain package? To achieve our goal of double the hardware, meaning twice as much performance and physical quality for the money, we skip some of the frills, one being fancy package. By cutting back on the packaging, we can increase the budget for actual headphone parts by as much as 20%. We think your money is better spent on headphones inside the box than the box. I respect that. All right, so here we go. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Got the Hawk. Here we go. Rah. Check these out. All right, inside the box, here's your headphones. Anything else? Now, when they say no frills, they wasn't playing. This is no frills. Here we go. Aiwa. Classic branding. All y'all old school cats, y'all know about Aiwa. Hard shell, Aiwa branding on the zipper, and you got a little hook right here. You can add a carabiner if you want. All right, let's see. Calm down, Shoes, calm down. Inside, got your usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them. Let's read this. Got it. Let's see, you got some cables. Now these look nice. Check this out. Braided style cable, micro USB. Gold and red tips, that's a little fancy touch, I like that. Here's your 3.5 cable. And here's your headphones. All right, scoot, Shoes, scoot. Check these out. Super lightweight, all right, fresh out of the box. Left and right branding, so you know which one is which. Let's get that tag out of here. Rah. Aiwa. Let's do the stretch test. Nice and stretchy. Nice soft foam padding on these. Protein leather ear cups. Let me do the smell test. Smells like velvet. Let's see, they do twist. They don't fold up, so you're gonna put them in the case just like this. Let's see, on one side, volume up and down. That's also gonna double as skip and reverse tracks. Here's your power button. That's also gonna be play and pause. Your Bluetooth button. And this is also gonna be your Q-Connect. Now, basically what Q-Connect is, if you're playing your music through these wireless headphones and somebody's next to you with another pair of wireless headphones, they don't have to be Aiwa, they could be Bose, Samsung, whatever they got, you can wirelessly share the music. And I'm gonna try that out. All right, quick tap on the power button, that should show you your battery percentage. All right, so you got 4 LEDs. This is on 100%. Super lightweight though, I gotta give them that. All right, so let me grab a phone, we'll pair these up and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power in the headphones, hold down the Bluetooth pairing button, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the Aiwa Arc-1s. Now, these do feature voice prompts. Check this out.
Power on. Connected.
All right, let me slap these on. Now, first impressions after putting these on, super comfortable, definitely lightweight. All right, so we got a test song. We got Drake, In My Feelings. All right, max volume. If y'all know the words, sing along. Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Let's go. Xerxes, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. White Shoes, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Look, the new me is really still a real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try to kill me. Gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's stopping. When you get to topping, I see that you've been learning. When I take you shopping, you spend it like you earn it. When you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. Thought you were the one from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. Champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you're Jenny. I know you're special, girl, cause I got too many Xerxes. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. White shoes. Do you love me? All right, hold up. Hold up. All right, y'all hear it for yourself. Woo. All right, let me pause this real quick. Hold up. I'm getting too turned up. So far. Woo. Okay. So far, fresh out of the box. No burning or nothing. These sound incredible. $200. This is a major go. Now I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to play some different genres of music. We got some disco, R&B, hardcore hip hop, reggae music. I'll play a couple of different songs and I'll come back in a second. All right, y'all. So we back in. Now I just played a whole bunch of different songs and I got to keep it real with y'all. These are easily one of the best pair of $200 headphones that I heard yet. And y'all know I got 1,000 pairs of headphones. These are crazy. Now, I just did a side comparison with the Neurophones, and I got to keep it 100. The Neurophones do sound better, of course, but those is $400. In the $200 department, these might be the new champs. All right, they sound crystal clear. Now, speaking of sound quality, the bass. Strong, punchy bass, but not muddy. All right, not that Beats by Dre bass, not the Sony extra skull candy heavy bass. Max volume, you got a deep, rich bass, but it's clean. You can still hear all of the highs and the mids. These headphones, they're going to blow your mind for $200. Now, there's a couple of things we got to test. Let's try out the phone call feature. All right, so we got a new victim, 24-hour diner. Let's see what time they close. Max volume. All right, the sound is coming out of both ears. I like that. Still ringing. Yes, hi. What time you guys close tonight? Okay, good. You never close. Thanks a lot. All right. Sound quality for the phone calls, crystal clear and super loud. Now, you're probably going to want to turn it down some. It sounded like the guy was yelling in my ears. All right, two more things we got to try out. All right, so now let's power these off.
Power off. Disconnected.
Okay, we'll grab the 3.5 cable and let's see if these work with no battery. Let me grab a phone with a headphone jack. We got the G6. This is America. Here we go. This is America. Don't get you slipping up. Let's go. Look what I'm whipping up. This is America. All right, let me pause. All right, so that does work. Y'all hear it for yourself. Works with no battery. Now, one more thing we got to test. All right, so let's test out the Q Connect feature. We're going to grab some JBL headphones. Let's power these on and put them in pairing mode. Okay, blue light is flashing. These is ready to go. Now we're going to hold on the Bluetooth pairing button on the Arc-1s. Wait for the beep. Okay, just heard a beep. This should turn to solid blue. All set. Now we're going to play some music. The same song should be playing at the same time on both headphones. Here we go. All right, there's the Marvin Gaye on the Aiwas. Same song on the JBLs. That feature is pretty sick and it works with any Bluetooth headphones. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving these a major go. $200, the price is right, worth every penny. The sound quality is excellent. The build quality is A1, super lightweight and comfortable. You got a 20-hour battery life, a mic for hands-free calling, and that Q Connect feature is badass. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, run the beam up.
Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. I got another test song on deck. Heard it through the grapevine. Marvin Gaye. Let's go. Y'all hear it? Let me slap these on. Let's go, shoes. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all youngins ain't ready for this. Hold up. Here we go. Ooh, I bet you're wondering how I knew about your plans to make me blue with some other guy you knew before. Between the two of us guys, you know I loved you more. Took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. Oh, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, ooh, just longer would you be my baby? Woo-hoo, let's go. No, a man ain't supposed to cry, but these tears I can't hold inside. All right, hold up. These is crazy. These is crazy.